Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, we will talk about connected banking in Tally Prime. Tally Prime Release 6.0 introduces the connected banking services using which you can do a wide range of tasks such as getting bank statement and bank balance and perform other connected banking activities right from Tally Prime. To log into connected banking in Tally Prime, all you need is an active Tally.net ID on the current license site. Consider that you are an admin user logging into connected banking for the first time. Press Alt-Z, all banking options, and then log in and log out. Enter your Tally.net ID. By default, the account administrator is the administrator for connected banking. Now, enter the password. When you are logging in for the first time, you get a welcome screen where you can see the supported banks and enable connected banking. Enter the mobile number that you want to link with your Tally.net ID. To view the terms and conditions and privacy policy, you can enable the option or click the hyperlink. The terms and conditions and privacy policy opens in a browser. Once you have read the terms and conditions and privacy policy, you can switch to Tally Prime. You can then accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number linked with the Tally.net ID. Enter the OTP to log into connected banking. You will be logged in. Now, you can press B and start linking your bank accounts to Tally Prime. Now, in a multi-user scenario, as an admin, you might need to enable connected banking for the users who are not admin. Let's see how to connect your bank account. Press Alt-Z, all banking options, and select bank connections. Press F6 to establish a new connection. Select the relevant bank. You can see that a connection ID gets generated. Based on the selected bank, you can view the steps to connect your bank account to Tally Prime. You can press the I button and click Get Help to know how to establish connection with the selected bank. Press C to connect and you will be redirected to the bank portal. Based on the bank that you have selected, you can follow the authentication process on the respective bank portal. Once you have completed the steps on your bank portal, you can open Tally Prime. Press S to refresh the status. The connection with the bank account is now successful. In the Bank Connections report, you will be able to see the status of the connection as connected along with its validity. Press Shift-Enter on the relevant row. You will see the bank accounts that got linked and the respective bank ledger names in the company data. This allows you to get bank statements and balance online and perform other connected banking activities. Let's see how to get the bank balance in Tally Prime. Press Alt-Z and select Get Balance. In the Get Balance report, you can see the details such as account number and bank name. You can also see the status as connected. You can select either a single or multiple bank accounts to get the balance. Let's see how to get the balance of multiple bank accounts in a single go. Select multiple bank accounts. Press B to get the balance. The Get Balance report displays the updated bank balances as on the date and time. You can drill down to an account to open the account balance info. Here, you can see the other balances as per the bank. You can also view the available balance as per the bank in the reconciliation and e-payments reports. Let's see how to get bank statements in Tally Prime. Press Alt-Z, all banking options, and select Get Statement. In the Get Statement report, you can see the details such as account number and bank name. You can also see the status as connected. Select the bank ledger and press Alt-S to set the period for which you require the bank statement. Enter the from and to dates. Press S to request the bank statement. Once the request is initiated, you can view the status of the request. If the status is pending at bank, then you can press S again to refresh the status. You can see that the status of the request is ready to import. Select the statement that is ready to import and press S. Once you import the statement, you get a summary of the imported entries. Now, press S to view the bank reconciliation summary. Drill down from the Unreconciled section. You can see the bank transactions that are marked in blue text. These are the exact matches that you can immediately reconcile. There might be transactions that are available only in banks for which you can create vouchers. If there are any reconciled transactions in the period, then you can view them. Press Ctrl H, select View Reconciled and press Enter. Drill down from the relevant period. You can view the reconciled transactions. As you saw, connected banking in Tally Prime helps you save a great deal of time by making tasks such as getting the bank statements and checking your bank balance quicker and simple. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how